Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel 1 2 Step. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of Twitter. This is going to be a short and easy video, so let's get straight into it. If you are new to using Twitter, or if you haven't logged out yet of your Twitter account, it could be hard to find the logout option on your account. To quickly get started, open up your Twitter. And then from the home screen, you'll simply need to tap on the top left, which is your profile icon, and then tap on settings and support. Again, settings and privacy. Now you land on this settings page. Now normally the logout option would be on the bottom of this page, but for Twitter you wouldn't have that. You need to tap on your account, which is the first option, and again tap on account information. Now only here you'll be able to see an option of logout. You can tap on logout and again tap on logout, and as easy as that, you have been now successfully logged out of your Twitter account. If you guys liked and found this video useful, then make sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. That's pretty much it for today's video, and I'll be back with more interesting videos similar to this. Thanks for watching.